This will be an Excel tip, as you can see by what's on the screen. What we're going to do is work with serial entries. Whenever you want to enter a lot of data, you want to do it as automatically as possible. So if you say you want to enter the days of the week, well, that's a serial, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have started with Monday and Tuesday, the first 2 days. Highlight those two by taking your mouse, clicking on one, and dragging over the second one. You'll see that little green box down in the lower right corner. Put your mouse on it until it changes into that little black cross. Click on it, hold the button down, and pull that box down. And you'll see on the right side there how it's counting through the days. And as far as you take it, it will complete the series. And if it's a known series that ends, like there's only 7 entries to this series, then it will start over after it gets to the end of it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, and then it starts over again. Now, Excel's smart enough to know that you sometimes abbreviate some things, so it worked with the abbreviations, but you can also spell them out, and knows the difference, and it'll fill them in all spelled out. Same thing with the months of the year. It's a known series. Highlight your first 2 entries, get that little black cross, pull it down, and it fills them all in. When it gets to the end, it starts over. Same thing with spelling it out. Now, also works for numbers. It detects a pattern. If it can detect a pattern, it will complete the pattern. For instance, we started counting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see on that right side there's a little box that as you move down, it tells you where you're at, what number you're on. So how far do you want to go? You know you want to go to 20. You can see you're at 20. Pull it, fills it in. There's a pattern. It'll detect that pattern. As you pull it down, keep filling it in. In case you can't tell, it's a pattern of by 2s. Here's another pattern. If it sees the pattern, 1, 3, 4, 7, it's by 3s. Fills it in automatically for you. You can even detect a date pattern. Highlight the date, pull it down, make it wider to see all the rest of them. You can see it goes right down through the dates. Now, some patterns it may not detect. 1, 2, 4, 8 is a doubling pattern, but if it doesn't recognize it, it's going to take its best guess at what pattern you mean and fill it in incorrectly. So be careful. Make sure you're seeing if Excel is detecting the pattern or not, whether or not you may have to use a different device to enter those serial numbers. So I hope this helped you with your data entry. Thanks for listening.